Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits in Dreamlight Valley. This easy method requires just two common ingredients. You'll need 1 wheat, which is simple to grow in the peaceful meadow, and 1 butter. Butter is readily available for purchase at Remai's pantry. Let's get cooking and create some delicious in-game treats for your character and friends. Once you have your wheat planted in the ground, it grows incredibly fast, ready to harvest in just 1 minute. Head over to Remai's restaurant to buy your butter from his pantry. With both ingredients in hand, find any cooking station in the valley. Interact with it to begin the simple cooking process for your biscuits. At the cooking station, open your recipe menu. You'll see the biscuit recipe listed, requiring 1 wheat and 1 butter. Simply drag and drop these 2 items into the cooking pot. Once both are in place, confirm your selection, and your delicious biscuit will be instantly prepared. It's a quick and satisfying culinary experience. Your freshly made biscuit is now ready to enjoy. It provides a good energy boost, restoring 149 energy for your character, which is perfect for mining or farming. You can also sell them at any goofy stall for 178 star coins, or give them as gifts to your favorite villagers to quickly increase your friendship levels. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.